I'm here to talk about gender and why we should make design considerations for gender. Because this topic is something that is really lacking from the design conversations in the world today. So it really needs to be considered at the same level as we think of functionality, ergonomics, design and style, and emotions. Nike was having some problems. Their sales with watches were down to women, and they just were struggling to find a female perspective. So myself and Gina were kind of shipped out to join their all-male team for a few weeks. And this was a really interesting experience for us because it kind of took us out of our comfort zone a little bit. We didn't only have to think as designers at this point, we had to start thinking as women, and that was actually kind of new. So women are actually the world's largest opportunity. They actually control about 20 trillion of consumer spending worldwide annually. And this is a number that is estimated to grow to about 28 trillion within the next 5 years. But then again, women are not being recognized as an opportunity. 71% of women feel that brands only consider them from beauty products and cleaning products. There's a lot more stuff out there. And the reality is really that gender roles are blurring. And so women are taking on traditional male tasks, and men are taking on traditional female tasks, each with sort of various level of success. To consider all the different touch points of the experience, from messaging and online experience, store experience, packaging, and up until customer service. Because maybe your problem is not necessarily with the actual product. Maybe the problem is more with how a brand is speaking to her in their messaging or their store environment, etc. And because of that, we view products differently. So guys tend to be really fascinated by the product first and then the lifestyle. So let's, for example, talk about barbecuing. Guys are really fascinated by the actual barbecue itself, the thing. You know, buttons and things that are turning, and if it has a display, even better. And then the lifestyle second. And for women, it's actually the opposite. For them, it's the lifestyle first, then the product. So she's thinking more about, like this can give her opportunity to create a really great meal for a family, getting friends together, making it all pretty, etc. So she's interested in what this product can really do for her in her life and the lifestyle that it promises. So women are shopping on behalf of their families. This is a very well-known stat. Women influence more than 80% of all consumer purchasing decisions. But that being said, we put a lot of emphasis on mixed teams because most of the products that we're designing is actually going to be used by both genders. Whether it's a barbecue or a car or a phone or a kitchen appliance, most of these things are going to be used by both. So if you have, let's say, only a group of women working together or only a group of guys working together, you tend to stereotype your own gender and also the other gender. And so that's why we bring it back to this, all the touch points of the experience, considering messaging and online store experience, packaging product, and exceeding her expectations, and really understanding her. So what we really do at Smart is some kind of, you almost call it like an experience audit. So really kind of a reality check about how brands are doing with women right now, and figuring out where they're doing poorly, where they're doing good, and what they need to change to really connect with the female audience. Because for women, it's about summary of many things. It's not about just like that extra feature or that extra gigabyte, but it's a summary of many things, and the little things are just important as the bigger ones. And that's it. Thank you.